Hello guys, this is like my second time trying to make this one video because apparently the last one didn't save and didn't even count as like a video. So hopefully now it doesn't do that. But yes, we're going to play Noob Train, but I already played that last one, but I don't want to play Noob Train anymore. Today, I don't even know my friends. More than Pacific. Yeah. We'll play Ragdoll Engine. I was about to say Ragdoll Engine. Please buy my merch. Buy my shirt for Roblox. Buy the Panda Brody shirt. Buy Pandas Love Me 990. That's my account. Because as you can see, I have push. Only 3 Robux, so I can't get any of these. Please buy it so I can buy some game passes to entertain you guys. And yeah. Please subscribe and like and turn on notifications. Please get me to 100 subs. We're up to 100. Right now we have like 26. Not 26, I don't know. Like 21. But yes. The thing I've been working on for like 20 minutes. And then we earned up like 3 and yes. Die. What the? This guy's premium, I think. Because like that's him. Of a t-shirt of him. So I think he made that t-shirt. Because none of us can buy it. Oh, I'm not the only premium. Oh, whoa. There's 4 other premiums in here. Well, get off me. Oh, one time me and my friend Elijah, we were all the way up there. And we did his battles and he jumped around because he was on the bridge. He like jumped and did that around thing. But I ended up shoving him and he went flying off. And then he just died. He just died laughing. Because he has the push thing too. Sometimes if I go high enough for a long time, I'm gonna just fall like this. I just fall after and just like get out of Ragdoll. See, like that. And then I just die. I'm gonna go in the high air balloon and try to just shove these guys off. I would be the only one. Is that like that's sands? Whoa, that's really cool. There's like that cut at the end, and then please don't copyright me, but like you get that cut. Sands get that like cut at the end because like you actually end up hitting him. And then yeah, he has that eye, but it's not red. And then that's the guy with premium. And then oh, I just saw that guy go. I think I'm just going to be the only one on here just because everyone's going to just fall off. Oh no! And then I just do like a front flip from that Ragdoll. And then I land on the barbed wire. In real life, dead. One time I landed in the barbed wire, but the barbed wire and like my head like directly hit it, so like my head was just stuck underneath it. So then when I Ragdoll up, I just died because it's like you like ripped my head. And we also try to see who can go the farthest with me and Elijah, and like we can have like push battles at the end of the thing. And I won, but sometimes we would just try to push each other when they're coming back, but he oh boy, shove him. Yeah, I completely missed. He's probably gonna come after me now. Get into the cannon. Whee. Really? I went absolutely nowhere. yeah, so the cool things about the shirt. It has those things. It has my logo. It says join the squad. It has that thing, and then it has that too. It has a neck hole. Or necks. Go through. Unlike this one shirt I have, it's just like no neck. It's just like, it's a flash shirt. And it's like, oh my, one more. Shindy. His lands like this. Whoa, that was weird. That is like go off, just like don't even. I'm probably just snap my neck. Yes, watch this guys. Dang it, never mind. Yeah, trip. Like before, it was just like it was just like me, and then I'm like in that position of the person that's speaking Korean and English. And what happens after this? My hip is just like dislocated. It's like ow, it's socket. Ooh, Lemon Boy 777777. That's a lot of sevens. The lucky man. Not so lucky anymore, are you? Huh? Cannon. Oh, the cannon. Are you okay? Like, what? Oh yeah. Oh, the cannon. Bye. Whee. I actually got a lot of flips right there. Eat. I'm just die. But I'm gonna try to spawn up. A lot of people have the old school animation. All of a sudden, like comes out like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, and then like I've seen like 500 people with it, like a lot. Like one time I was in Ragdoll Engine, everyone in the whole server had premium. I was surprised, but then everyone also had the old school animation, which I was mad about. Cause like everyone just looked at me like, I just wrecked that person, and then it's Ragdoll too. But like everyone just, oh my friend Tyler, like everyone looked at me and there's like, who are you? He's like, you're the, oh this person. He's like, who are you? I'm like, oh Robloxing? And like, but who are you? You don't even have the old school animation. I'm like, I don't have that Roblox. I'm like, they're your premium sounds. Like, I don't care. Oh dang. I'm gonna shove her off. Just don't, no, don't jump, don't jump. No. Oh, one of these. Tyler, Tyler, Tyler. Come to top of tallest tower. I have him on Discord too. Oh, here she is again. She's trying to commit suicide. Die. Are you kidding me? See, like that person. Well, that's the toy animation. That's funny. He's like, been a good. This is what he did. This is what my friend Elijah did. Like he tried to do that, but then I shove him when he's right there. Like he's right there, and I shove him, and then he was like, okay, I think he's climbing. I'm gonna do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh, that did not work as I was trying. I didn't even bounce. I was just like, not today. And here it is. Oh, he's okay. I'm gonna shove him into a landmine. Hi. Hi. Hey. Just watch me push him. As he says hi. Hi. Ah. Ah. Die, trash. He's like, how? Everyone says it. You're like, how to push? Game Pass. CM15. Because that's what you do when you're not 13 plus account. He's like, everyone says that they're like, don't have Robux. They like, don't have the Game Pass. It's like, how to push? How to push? How to push? I'm like, whoa. They're just like, I'm just like, Game Pass. That was really high. And then I was just like, oh wow, surprising. Yeah, he has a Robux, but like not that much. He probably only has a couple, but he had like 15 once. And I also have a group, the hashtag Awesome Panda Squad. I know it's a lot, but like, please join that. Buy the merch there and join the U.S. Coast Guard. I spelled it wrong. Guess. Yes, quiet. You notice something? That what? Triangle. Things. We type wrong a lot. It's for my channel. I made it myself. He said, do you really have a YouTube channel? I think. What do you mean? Okay. Do I have a channel?